Going to the dinner table to get your dinner.
Did you go to the dinner table to get your dinner?
Yes, I went to the table as soon as dinner was ready.
What did you have to eat?
Roast chicken with vegetables. It was delicious.
That sounds amazing. Who cooked it?
My mum, she's a fantastic cook.
Going to work by train.
Did you go to work by train today?
No, I didn't go by train, I drove instead.
Why didn't you take the train?
There were delays, so I thought driving would be faster.
Makes sense. Was the traffic bad?
Not too bad. I made it on time.
Going to the beach to build a sandcastle.
Did you go to the beach to build a sandcastle?
Yes, I went there with my little brother.
Did you manage to build a good one?
We did. It even had a moat around it.
That sounds fun. Did you take any pictures?
Yes, I'll show you later.
Going to the supermarket to get a few things.
Did you go to the supermarket to get a few things?
Yes, I went there after work.
What did you buy?
Just some milk, bread and eggs.
That's all you needed?
For now, yes. I'll do a bigger shop later.
Going to the dinner table to serve dinner.
Did you go to the dinner table to give your family their dinner?
Yes, I went to serve them right after cooking.
What did you make?
Spaghetti bolognese. They loved it.
That's a classic dish. Was it a lot of work?
A little, but it was worth it.
Going to the bank to speak to your bank manager.
Did you go to the bank to speak to your bank manager?
No, I didn't go to the bank today.
Why not? I thought you had a meeting scheduled.
I had to cancel it because something urgent came up.
Will you reschedule soon?
Yes, I'll call them tomorrow.
Going to the chemist's for a prescription.
Did you go to the chemist to collect your prescription?
Yes, I went there this afternoon.
Was everything ready for you?
Yes, it was quick and easy.
That's good. Sometimes pharmacies can be slow.
True, but today it was smooth.
Going to the concert to see Guns N' Roses.
Did you go to a concert to see Guns N' Roses?
Yes, I went last night and it was incredible.
How was the performance?
Amazing. They played all their classics.
That's so cool. Did you get good seats?
Yes, we were pretty close to the stage.
Going to the Natural History Museum.
Did you go to the Natural History Museum?
No, I didn't go. I decided to visit the art gallery instead.
That's a good choice too. How was it?
It was fascinating. The paintings were beautiful.
Maybe next time you can visit the museum.
Definitely.
Going to the police station to report a crime.
Did you go to the police station to report a crime?
Yes, I went there this morning.
Was everything okay?
Yes, I just needed to report a stolen wallet.
That's awful. Did they say they could help?
They'll investigate, but it might take some time.